It's already 4 o'clock and we're vlogging today, but we're gonna go to Portsmouth. We're gonna go to Drift. We're gonna go to their pop-up little party thing. We might skate. We might get some ice cream, and we're gonna go to the beach and for the sunset. So it's gonna be a great, amazing, fun half birthday vlog today, and I cannot wait to take you all along. Let's go. But yeah, I've just been working today, so I haven't been vlogging because I wanted to wait around for the fun stuff. And also my roommate told me I shouldn't wear this out in public because it looks like a bathing suit. I mean, don't get me wrong, it is a bathing suit, but I was planning on like wearing this. I have a sweater vest option. I have that option. So we'll see. But there's a lot of traffic right now. And so I'm going to leave in like an hour. But we'll get there. Up to New Hampshire. We go for the vlog today. We made it. Okay. It's a literal rager. How you feeling? All right, we're gonna keep vlogging today, I've decided. Because as you saw last night, I went to the that little pop-up, super cute, super fun. And then we hit the beach like right at sunset, like at the very last possible second. And I think we're actually gonna go to the beach today for like a few hours in the afternoon. So yeah, but right now we are going to go get coffee. It's Friday. Happy Friday. And then I'm going to work out, do some work, and it's going to be a great day. So let's go freaking do it. We'll deal with this. We'll deal with all this when we get back from coffee. Let go. Oh, there's a lot of people. Coffee time. I got a latte. And last time we went here, I accidentally got the world's smallest like latte. It's literally the size of my pinky finger. And I drank it in one sip. So I was like, oh, let me get a large. Well, this has 4 shots in it. So wish me luck. What did you get?
Cold brew with salted caramel and the spirit of Sarah.
Yeah, we both got salted caramel. I see mine at the bottom. Cheers. Cheers.
She's laughing at us.
Really quick before we get a few emails in, let's drink this. It's really good. I think the salted caramel is still at the bottom of the other cup, but that's okay. I'll drink the rest of it tomorrow. Okay, let's do emails. And then we're gonna go to the beach. And we're gonna have a good time. Thanks for coming to watch all my adventures. I appreciate it. Also, so I have my podcast, which you guys know. And like when I first started podcasting, you could tell that I was really like trying to be some type of voice, because you have to find your voice, you know what I mean? And I do have a naturally kind of positive, whatever, like energetic voice and a little raspy. But I've been like watching back some of my videos, you know, when I'm editing and after, and I'm just like, I'm trying to be a little more natural. Like I'm excited, but I don't want to just be like mimicking what I think I see online and like the way people talk and their energies. Like, you know, just give me a few minutes to get used to conversing and having my own little voice. That's not like, oh my God, hi, and like, which is some people's voice. So they should do that. And I need to find my own voice. So we're working on it. I feel very conversational today, and I'm usually like, oh my God, this vlog's so boring, and like I edit it all down, but this one's gonna be a good like raw vlog for ya. Okay. Work time. Nobody wants to see that because it is kind of boring. But oh, this is my crystal. One of my crystals. Got it in New York. And it's a beautiful day. I'm feeling very blessed today. are and ahhing, let me tell you. I got back from the beach. I just showered and just like got super clean. And it's Friday, but I'm not doing anything today, and it's very lovely. But I do need to run to Trader Joe's to get some food for dinner. It's hot, but I kind of want to grill. And I was thinking I was going to make grilled barbecue chicken, even though I never really eat chicken, but I've been in the mood for it. And like grilled veggies. But now I'm kind of thinking I want grilled pizza. Have you ever made grilled, like pizzas on the grill, grilled pizza? It's literally heaven. So I have to like buy a bunch of stuff at Trader Joe's because next week I am coaching, and so I need to pack a lunch. So I have to like do a big grocery shop, which usually I just like buy things for a few days, whatever I'm in the mood for, and then go back in like a few days and just kind of like take a few little trips throughout the month to just like have fresh stuff. But I'm gonna make some stuff, so I don't know if it's gonna be busy, and I'm like very worn out from the beach, but I better go now because that way when I'm ready for dinner later tonight, I'll have the ingredients that I need. So let's go to Trader Joe's. We can do it. Give me like 5 more minutes on my phone and then 10 minutes just with my eyes closed, okay? Oh, it's been a good day. I did completely forget to vlog, but I did go to Trader Joe's and made some dinner. Had some gnocchi, and then I really just laid on the couch and watched the L Word, Generation Q. It's actually free on Amazon right now because I guess Pride Month. And I've been wanting to rewatch it, and I didn't want to pay for it, so that was my Friday night. Thanks for coming to the vlog. I'm sleepy. I'm gonna go to bed, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget, grow up, don't give up, baby. Let's freaking go. Have a great rest of your day and or night. Bye.